The creation of new lives, the next generation, drives every living thing on Earth. The longest pregnancy in the animal kingdom builds a highly intelligent being with a lifespan as long as our own. The emperor penguin produces and protects its offspring in the most desolate place on the planet. For some animals, creation isn't complete until, in midlife, there's been a total physical transformation. Success or failure is more finely balanced than we imagine, shaped not simply by where animals live, but by the extraordinary ways in which their bodies work.